My name is Matthew Berrett. I work at Lighting Maintenance and Service, and I'm the operations manager. I've been the operations manager for 16 years now. I was a technician prior to that for at least 5 years. The most rewarding part of my job is helping the technicians to better themselves, seeing them flourish and grow. The most challenging part of my position is just making sure that we have all the right components, equipment, manpower, product to be able to get the jobs done and get them done in a timely manner to perform for our customers. And getting all those components to fit together is a fun puzzle. The specific problems that Van Ladder has helped me solve has been, for me, generally just maintenance and the ease of use of the product. So Van Ladder has made my life easier because of the simplistic way that they've designed this machines. They're just so efficient. I mean, they're quick to get in and out of, to get up to what you're servicing, and to solve the customer's issue ultimately. And get on to the next job and make that next dollar. My interaction with Van Ladder or Jason or Dave, for that matter, I mean, they're really easy to get a hold of. And I mean, you're talking to somebody that has extreme, in-depth knowledge on the piece of equipment, and it's, they have all the answers. Whereas if you call any other lift equipment manufacturer, you're getting some John Doe in engineering and whatnot, and he may know one specific portion of that machine, but he doesn't know it all. And Jason, Dave, they know that thing inside and out. It's in their skin. 9 times out of 10, it's the technician that's on the job site that has an issue. As his aerial equipment is up in the air, and he may just need help figuring out which relay it is that's gone down and swapping that out real quick. I mean, it's a $10 part. Usually we carry a few relays with us just for good measure, and you've got 10-15 minutes of downtime, and that's it. You're back troubleshooting or doing your work, rather than, oh, the lift is down. Now you've got to have a mobile service man come out that has hydraulics expertise and whatnot. And a huge repair bill that comes with that. My maintenance costs, as opposed to just a full hydraulic piece of equipment, it's night and day difference. There's no comparison whatsoever. There are some other good manufacturers out there making some really decent aerial devices that I just don't have maintenance issues with. But when I do have maintenance issues, it's not field serviceable. It's nothing that I'm dead in the water, and my technician is basically taking an Uber back to the shop. Van Ladder, that's not the case. For me, another added bonus for Van Ladder is the trade-in value that I get on Van Ladder's equipment. Dave and I have established criteria that we're trying to target, and to rotate out that piece of machinery, I have somebody to turn to at the end of the life of that machine, to trade that piece of machinery in. It's, we got our dollar back out of it is a huge benefit to us as well. I mean, it's, like I said, just to have that support is fantastic. I have such a good thing going with Van Ladder. Why would I need to step outside myself and reinvent the wheel? It's already there. It's functioning. It functions very well. I don't need to I don't need to step outside myself right now. I'm comfortable. That's you ask what is one thing that Van Ladder has done to make your life easier? Well, that's it. I mean, all that stuff in a nutshell.